In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS, HTML, and JS on Squarespace. We'll start by getting the code you want to embed. Head to Google Gemini and open the app. In the prompt box, tell it exactly what you need, like create a custom card component with HTML, CSS, and simple JavaScript interactions. Be specific about the layout and behavior so the output is clean and easy to drop into Squarespace. When the response appears, locate the portion you want to use. Here, I'm focusing on the custom card section. Click into that area to highlight the snippet you need and make sure it includes the HTML along with style and script tags so everything is self-contained. Once it's highlighted, copy it so you're ready to paste into your site. Now move into your Squarespace site editor, navigate to the page and section where you want the feature to appear, and click Add Block. From the block picker, choose Code. This block is designed for custom HTML, CSS within style tags, and JavaScript within script tags. Click inside the code editor area to activate it, and paste in the code you copied from Gemini. If you see formatting options like Markdown or Display Source, ensure you're using the basic code mode so the HTML actually renders. After pasting, glance through the snippet to confirm your CSS is wrapped in style tags, and your JavaScript in script tags, which helps Squarespace interpret everything correctly. At this point, you might see a notice that adding JavaScript and iframe embeds is a premium feature. That message simply indicates you'll need a qualifying plan to publish those elements live. You can still continue editing, and it's a helpful reminder before you go public. Before finalizing, click Preview in Safe Mode. Safe Mode allows you to test the block without running potentially conflicting site-wide scripts, which makes troubleshooting much easier. Look for layout issues, broken links, or console errors. If something needs tweaking, return to the editor, click back into the code panel, and adjust your HTML, CSS, or JS as needed. Small changes, like tightening selectors or namespacing your CSS, can prevent conflicts with your site's theme. When everything looks good, click Save. Your custom component is now embedded on the page and ready to go, subject to your plan's publishing capabilities. That's it. By using Gemini to generate the snippet and the Squarespace code block to place it, you can quickly add tailored HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to enhance your site's design and functionality.